Hi everyone, if you want to apply as a call center through or via walk-in or online, ay kung papiliin niyo is mas better kung walk-in. Kasi based on my experience sa online is 1 week before ako natawagan na actually it's not actually a questions or an over phone interview. Napakadalang yung kanilang over the phone interview, unlike before during pandemic na they are really have this kind of over the phone interview kasi nga pandemic, it's not really actually face to face, so it's very um, red alert yung online application mo. So better to apply as in walk-in kasi nga ang tagal ng process when you apply sa online. 1 week ka pa bago matawagan, and that is not really a question. It's a kind of, like for example, when I apply sa Transcom, nag-message ako sa recruiter and nifilapan ko yung mga information ko, and after 1 week, tinawagan ako ng isang artificial intelligence, and simple lang man yung sinabi niya sa akin. If I want to apply, kailangan ko lang i-press yung 1 to confirm na mag-a-apply ko walk-in, and number 2 naman, if I will not apply. Syempre I do not really understand what is it, so I click number 2. So if you want to apply a call center agent sa Davao City, better to apply walk-in kasi I think they have 1 day process, like for example itong 611, yung Awesome OS or yung VXI. Lahat ng BPO companies sa Davao ay 1 day process, but ang tagal kasi nga ang daming nag-a-apply. So if you want really to work, like for example sa call center, is kailangan talaga ng patience. Kasi naman yung ako nag-apply ko sa 611, actually yung process nila napakadali sa 611. Tip ko na rin to kung ano ba yung process ng 611. First is yung interview. Actually dalawang steps lang, interview and yung computer skills mo. First is yung interview. Pag napasa mo yung interview, you'll proceed to the last and final phase or step, which is ang computer skills. Doon mo na yun gagawin niya. For example, yung kailangan mong masabi yung, for example, nagsasalita yun ng, for example, 1 sentence. So, kailangan mong gayahin yung sinalita niya. Yung mga basic grammar, ganon. So, unfortunately, napasa ako sa first step, which is ang interview. But yung sa second step, which is yung computer skill naman, kasi naman ang hirap mo na alam mo na memorize mo yung 2 sentences. Yan ang masasabi ko, blah 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 lang. So, if want to advise naman about sa VXI, I applied sa VXI before pandemic yun, during pandemic yun. So, it's over the phone interview. First step nila is yung sa grammar, yung subject verb agreement, and then pag napasa mo yun, napasa ako doon. Then sa interview, hindi ako napasa. Actually, yung VXI is a very high standard na sabi nila when it comes to BPO company. And next is yung Awesome OS. I really love the Awesome OS because actually interview lang yun, and unfortunately hindi rin ako natanggap sa interview. I think 1 step lang yung Awesome OS. Sabi nila meron ng mock call, pero hindi na yun. I think yung pinaka-crucial talaga when you apply is yung interview. So, above all, you need to master actually your English. No? Walang dead air. Kailangan straight talaga. So, I think those are just tips na may bibigay ko when you apply sa call center. So, kung papipiliin ako, I think better itong 611 or yung Awesome OS. And if you want to apply either online, kasi meron online, or walk-in, better o walk-in. Kasi 1 day process lang. Kaso lang, around 8 hours. Before ako, 8 hours ako. Bagsak pa. So again, thank you very much. I hope this information will help you to have a job. Please like and subscribe.